Hello guys, welcome back to the another tutorial. I'm gonna discuss with you how to pull project from GitHub to Visual Code Studio. In this tutorial I'm gonna showing to you how to pull project from GitHub to Visual Code Studio. So it is very easy. You will completely learn in this video. Now you are watching this video, you must have a GitHub account and also Git install in your PC or laptop, like that your local desktop. Or if you want to GitHub repository code in your local PC, then you have to install Visual Code Studio. Actually you have to go to your Google browser, then install the Visual Code Studio. Okay, here click this link and download it on your desktop, like that. Mac was Windows 60 x64, Linux as your Windows operating system. Okay, then you will go to your GitHub repository, GitHub. Okay, then click this Visual Code Studio. Now I open in my Visual Code Studio, and now you have to download an extension inside of the Visual Code Studio. Like click this here, extension. Okay, then simply install the pull request extension. Okay, request pull. Okay, this is our extension. I will click this install button and it will start now. Okay, now you can see that installation gets started to make a few seconds, then installation is finished already. Okay, so you guys, now this extension is successfully installed in our Visual Code Studio. Now click this setting and click this here, command palette, then simply you have to go click here this Visual Code Studio settings and click here command palette, then click this here and just git clone, and you will show it clone from GitHub and clone from GitHub. Okay, then you have to go to your open your browser, then open a account the GitHub for this your GitHub repository clone, and I will copy this, and you will come back to your Visual Code Studio, and then inside of the Visual Code Studio, then paste here. Okay, then enter. Okay, simply press and enter. Then now here you have to copy this URL and GitHub repository. So for this file, and you will save this your local host or desktop. I will save it in my desktop, and I will select I will make a one folder like that, GitHub pull request. Okay, then I click this enter and I will select it, then select the repository location. Okay, that's it. Now it will be copying in this here in your local. Okay, this is your project, and it will be shown to the like that zip folder. This is our project, and I will extract it here in my desktop. Pull request, then other app, I'll extract files, Okay, then I will open it. Okay, this is our project, and I will open it in the Visual Code Studio CMD. Just right here CMD and code dot. Okay, it will be open in this our in our Visual Code Studio. You will understand in this video, and you have to learn. You will clone this Git repository. Just click here and paste your link here. URL link here. Then click enter. It will be, you will get it your result. Okay, that's it. Thank you viewers. Thank